I'm going to show you just how simple it is to trade when you understand support and resistance. These two touches created a zone, and this is now our support. So that means that when we had a third touch to it, I could take a reversal and win, and that's exactly what I did. However, it wouldn't reverse again, and how do I know that? Because the CCI and the Williams showed me that it was going to actually come through our support, and now our support becomes our resistance. And you can actually see this when these candles come up here into this zone, they come back down. And how do I know that that was going to happen? Well, because of this zone right here. It is now a resistance instead of a support. We can also see that we have that two touch setup. Now that's when we have a horizontal line and a trend line that create a new setup. So that means that this candle right here, immediately after this candle closing, we would take a sell. And as you can see, we're actually below this SMA right here, which means that we would actually win. And that's exactly what happened. So I traded here on 3. I also traded this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, and this candle. So out of these 5 green ones, I actually won 4. All right, so this is really, really simple. All of these lines show you hidden zones that you otherwise definitely wouldn't see, because obviously they're hidden. If you want to learn about how to do this, how to read your chart, and how to use this to basically be profitable and successful with trading, head over to the link that you see at the top of the screen, as well as down in the description to access my mini course. And let me help you avoid all of those things that I wish I had known when I first started to trade. And make sure you smash that like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in the next video.